A tiny taste of Napoli, wood-fired and blistered.
Listen to the incredible crunch of that golden panko. A perfect, tiny, runny yolk over crispy brioche.
Layer by tiny layer, building sweet perfection.
Piping perfect little clouds of sweet almond meringue.
Carving crispy, juicy edges for the perfect tiny taco.
Building a warm, comforting bowl of rich tonkotsu ramen. Finely minced and plated with a perfect little yolk. Dipping the tiniest rings into thick batter for that perfect crunch.
Molding perfect little grains of rice for a beautiful piece of nigiri.
Delicate, caramelized layers of pastry and rich, earthy matcha cream.